Guys, just to let you know, they're gonna set you a set of screws. Um, these screws here, I don't know if you can get a good look at them. Um, these screws is gonna attach to the top of the jam. Uh, all right, for the header, top jam, I should say. All right, so I'm gonna use these screws right here. Hope you guys can see this, and set them up and screw them in. So let me continue on with that. All right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you what I did here. Um, what I did, I just took a square and put it in with a couple of bracelets to make sure I keep this as perfectly straight as possible. All right, it's very important to do that. So once you do that, again, the screws they give you, you simply gonna screw them right into the pre-drill holes they already done for you, and you just put screws in and line up A with A. It's that simple. Um, so I got that done now. So I can take these off. And just to let you know, I picked these things up from Amazon. I thought about making my own, but I figured I wanted something that will never shrink, that won't knock out alignment. So these are I think these are worth the price. All right. Jovi 2 company makes these things, made in America. They call it 3D Square, to keep all your work. I got 2 of these, so I highly recommend you guys pick these up. I'll throw a link on the bottom on what I paid for them. I got them off Amazon. All right, so that's it. That's for that. So now I'm gonna set it up in front of my doorway, try to get shimmed in, and go from there. All right. So just want to stop, show you that, and let me continue on with the installation. All right, guys, just give you an update what's going on now. All right, I got the jams in place now. If you're one man, you're gonna need some type of clamps to help you with it. My wife was helping me, but you know, when you deal with the wires, they're not patient. So I ended up clamping it on 2 ends to help me hold it in place. And now I have to shim it between the rough to the house and to this. All right, to get it squared. All right, so that's what the process I'm doing right now. Because when you order it, it's not going to be tight fitting. So, and most likely your frame to your house is not going to be perfectly square. So that's why you order a little shorter, so you can, make it fit to the proper dimensions. All right. So that's what I'm doing now. Right now, I'm just shimming it up to make sure it's straight and it's perfectly level this way too. All right. So it's coming along. The little gap and stuff I'll be covered with exterior molding later on. So right now I'm just trying to get it before I screw it in. All right. They give you screws to screw it in. Let me show you guys what they give you. Alright, they give these bag of screws for you guys. So they said use 2 of these and replace one through the door and one through the jam into the framing on each hinge. All right, to help keep it secured in. All right, they give you extra, but so I must just start it off with a couple of just to get the jam into place. All right, I'm gonna start with the sides, and for the top, I'm gonna have to come back and put a piece of wood run across it, and then go up top to secure that part. All right, so just want to stop it, show you where I'm going, and when you're doing it, also they give you the threshold stick, I'll call it. So this threshold stick will match the length or compensate for the match up there, so everything stays square. Hey little boy, how you doing?
Hi.
How you doing? Doing a little YouTube video. All right.
What?
How was the walk?
Good.
All right, good. All right, guys. So let me continue on. I'll continue the time lapse and update you as I go along. All right.
Coming with mommy.
Okay, guys. I'm swinging around here. All right, I'm losing daylight now. Again, that's a one-man job. Doing it by myself, so taking my time. I never installed a garage door, let alone a barnyard door before, so I'm just taking my time, making sure I'm doing everything properly. I got everything lined up. I got things shimmed up here, as you can see, and on this side here. All right. I still have to fine tune it just a little bit better, but overall it's coming along. Like right there, I gotta put a shim in it and put the longer screw to go into the joist. So again, I'm just taking my time doing it right. Then I gotta address the top to make sure that's secure properly before I install the doors. But overall, it's coming out pretty good. All right, and the hardware is top notch. I really like how it looks. The garage door is going to look very nice once I get it done. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll update you guys on how it's coming along, and that's it. All right, but right now I'm gonna clean up, take a break, and continue this video tomorrow. All right, so I'll be part 2 of installing a Clingerman barn door on my garage. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.